What is EverWebinar? If you're looking for a way to automate your webinars and reach a wider audience without being live all the time, you're in the right place. EverWebinar is a powerful tool that allows you to create automated webinars that run on a set schedule, so you don't have to be there every time. Stick around because I'll explain how it works, why it's a game changer for marketers, and how you can use it for free with some exclusive bonuses. Now, let's dive right into EverWebinar and why it might be the perfect solution for your business. First off, EverWebinar makes it easy to schedule and automate your webinars. You can pre-record your presentations and then set them to play at specific times, even though they feel live to your audience. This automation saves you tons of time, and your attendees get the experience as if you're there in person. Next thing, it's super easy to integrate with other marketing tools like email services and payment platforms. Whether you're using MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, or others, EverWebinar syncs smoothly so you can manage your entire funnel from one place. This integration ensures your marketing efforts stay organized and efficient. The third thing to highlight is its robust analytics. You can track who's attending your webinar, how long they're watching, and where they're dropping off. This data helps you fine-tune your presentations and improve your conversion rates. Another great feature is EverWebinar's flexibility when it comes to customization. You can choose from various templates or even build your own unique look. It allows you to match your brand's theme and keep things professional while maintaining a user-friendly experience. And then there's the ability to add automated replay offers. This means if someone misses the live webinar, they can watch a replay at a time that suits them with the same interactive features that would have been available during the live session. You can even add urgency, like limited time offers, to drive conversions. The sixth thing that really stands out is the seamless user experience. Your attendees don't need to download anything or deal with complicated setups. EverWebinar works right from the browser, making it easy for people to join and engage. Lastly, EverWebinar allows you to offer a fully personalized experience with features like custom registration pages, countdown timers, and live chat simulations. This way, you can create a unique experience for each participant. You can try EverWebinar for free using the first link below and access some exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. It's a risk-free way to explore this powerful tool and see how it fits into your business. If you're serious about growing your business, automating your webinars is a great way to save time and increase revenue. Remember, the link below gives you access to an extended free trial, so don't miss out on that. That's all for today. Let me know in the comments if you've used EverWebinar or if you're excited to try it out.